Hello, what is your name?
My name is Lizelle Sisol,
How old are you?
42 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes,
Do you have kids?
yes.
How many kids do you have?
3 daughters,
Okay, so how old are they?
20, 18, and 11.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years and 6 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
7 years.
Okay, where?
Jordan and Abu Dhabi.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
6 months.
What's your employer living in?
Chunwan.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
4,000 square feet.
How many family members there?
2?
How many children?
No?
Okay, so 2 elderly, right?
Yes.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 5:30 and then I prepare the hot water for them and prepare the medicine. And then after that, I'm waiting to wake up and then prepare the breakfast. And then after that, bring to the to outside to walking. And then after that, eat breakfast. And then after that, I make massage. And then after that, I do cleaning. And then sometimes cook, sometimes no, because we have to. And then in the afternoon, after lunch, we make again massage. And then in the night, in the afternoon, I prepare the dinner,
Okay.
medicine, and then after dinner, we make we give him medicine again, and then do massage, and then after that, go sleep.
Okay, what time you sleep?
9:30.
Okay, thank you so much.